Hey, health enthusiasts! Ready to blend your way to a healthier you? Today, I am sharing 3 delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes that will fuel your body and delight your taste buds. First up, we have the Green Power Smoothie, packed with spinach, kale, banana, and a splash of almond milk. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3s. Blend it all until smooth and creamy. It's like a garden in a glass. Next, let's dive into the Berry Bliss smoothie. Combine a handful of mixed berries. Think strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Toss in half a cup of Greek yogurt for protein and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Blend with some ice cubes for that perfect frosty texture. This one's a burst of antioxidants and pure joy. Finally, meet the tropical turmeric smoothie. Start with a cup of pineapple chunks and half a banana. Add a teaspoon of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits and a pinch of black pepper to help absorb it. Finish with a cup of coconut water. Blend until it's a sunset in a glass. There you have it. 3 smoothies that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Whether you need a morning energy boost or a post-workout refuel, these smoothies have you covered. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. Stay healthy and happy blending.